Oh,
The triangle dance!
All right, we're gonna do the triangle dance.
Woo!
When we say triangle dance, find two friends and do the triangle dance.
Okay.
Before that, just follow whatever we're doing.
Oh, yeah. Are you ready?
5, 6, 7, 8.
We're running. You know it.
Here we go.
Keep going. Get ready now.
All right,
Gonna do it.
I'm ready.
Make it happen.
Let's go. It's the triangle dance. Triangle, triangle, triangle dance.
Triangle.
Triangle, triangle, triangle dance.
All right.
Triangle, triangle, triangle dance.
We're dancing.
Triangle, triangle, triangle dance. Yeah.
Woo.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Make a triangle. Oh, check it out. Keep going.
Okay.
Check it out.
Let's do it.
You got this. Do the triangle dance. Triangle, triangle, triangle dance.
We're dancing.
Triangle, triangle, triangle dance.
Triangle.
Triangle, triangle, triangle dance.
Oh, yeah.
Triangle, triangle, triangle dance.
Woo.
Now step it with my foot and clap it with my hand and step it and clap it.
I'm clapping.
Step, clap, 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 step, clap. A little more triangle. Triangle, triangle, triangle dance. Triangle, triangle, triangle dance. A triangle, triangle, triangle dance. Triangle, triangle, triangle dance. A 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 triangle, triangle, triangle dance.
I like this dance.
Me too.
Triangle.
Oh, yeah. Triangles are different from squares.
That is correct.
For tons more videos like this one, download the GoNoodle app for Apple or Android.